This is the totally restored 1975 SeaCraft 20 center console. And I wanted to walk you around outside the hull as well. As you can tell, the restoration is just absolutely beautiful. And then I'll walk you down the sides and show you the port side. Just fantastic. And let's walk you alongside. And let's start here in the aft with this owner repowering with a 2019 204 stroke. And it's on a hydraulic jack plate. And if I go ahead and take a step back, give you a good view of the cockpit, and let's open up some of these compartments. And let's start on the starboard side, and you'll see in all these compartments, they are so well done, so clean. Come into the center and you'll see your bilge pumps, so clean. And then on the port side, just so well done. And this will give you a view of speakers in the aft, as well as scuppers. And then you have the pop-up cleats everywhere you look. And then in the back of the helm seat, you'll see plenty of room for a cooler. And then if I just go ahead and walk around and face aft, it'll give you a beautiful shot of this helm seat. And then if I lift up here, you'll see right now this owner's got some of his Coast Guard equipment in there, but just beautiful storage underneath the helm seat. And let's start here at the top of this beautiful helm. You'll see just a huge Garmin color, and this is all touchscreen. And this controls all your systems. If I come down here, it's got your one helm, gives your Yamaha gauges, health of boat. Come back here, and you can do split charts, chart sonar, just a beautiful unit. And then if you come down below that, you've got your switches. And then if I come over here, you're gonna see your automatic trim tabs. And then right on the helm, you're gonna see your jack plate controls. And then if I just step back a little bit, open up here, you've got great storage for phone and whatnot. You've got a charger back there, plus you've got your battery switch within easy reach of the captain. And this brings us up to our bow of this classic SeaCraft, and I'll give you a couple different views. And then on the seat in front of the center console, if we just remove the backrest, open up here, and it just does not get much more impressive than this. You'll see absolutely beautiful, organized, great access. And then if we lift up the bottom of the seat, you'll see just a huge cooler with a drain. And now if we come down to the center of the deck and open up, you'll see a massive storage compartment / fish box, all with a drain. And if we move forward, you'll see the forward speakers. And then if I go ahead and lift up here, and you've got a storage compartment for the anchor. And here's a good view of the large bimini that covers the boat. And now's the time of the video where I give a condition report and I name opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat. And let's start with the condition of this SeaCraft 20 center console. This restoration project was just finished about 6 months ago, and the family found out that they're actually having a baby. So they have to sell their previous baby for their actual baby. And they're gonna get something that works for the family a little bit more. But in terms of condition, it's just jaw-dropping. It really is where the boating world meets the art world. It shows like a piece of art, and it's absolutely gorgeous everywhere you look. In terms of opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat, this owner was going to use it for island hopping. He really isn't a big fisherman, so if somebody wanted a live well, they'd either have to install one or put a temporary one on. It comes with a trailer. I think the trailer's 1 to 2 years old, in beautiful condition. It's got a full cover. The boat, it's everything you see in the video and more. It's just absolutely a piece of art, and it's ready for its new owner to just turn some heads at the marina.